Let's continue. Here we talked about the one coordinates in the cases where you can see the two coordinates in the one plot, then you should use access plot access command. Here you can write the percentage of the lengths and the widths of how how much it take inside your graph. Let's uh, run this and you will understand. Here, as you can see, I write here x1 it's plot xy sinusoid, and for the x2 it's the cosinus. And if you write like this, you can just see you can see that it takes 50% of the length of this coordinate y and 50% of the x coordinate, but it takes the 35 percent of the this coordinates cell. Yes, you can write like this. You can write like 20%. Let's say, sorry, it will be more, little bit smaller like this. Yes, and also you can write like 40 maybe percent run, and it will be like this, but more useful using the 35 run. And as you can see, also in data visualization we use loops for the data visualization. Let's say for e in range which starts from 1 till the 7 not included, as you know, and the 7 and here plt subplot, let's say 2 rows 3 columns, and with the e step, and also plot plt plot for the visualization. Let's use the cosinus. Sorry, what, this one? Yeah, here it is. You can see here the 6 boxes with the graphs, and as you see here we use cosinus, and in every cell you can see the cosinus. If you would like to use this kind of cells but with the different graphs, then you should write like this. We have this. Let's modify our okay, let's modify this one. It's also with subplots, but it's the separate coordinates. Let's do 6. Here if we would like to do 6 cells, the same with that, then it should be the 2-dimensional. That's why we write here also 0 and plot xy. Let's say here also no, here let's write xy, and here also let's write 2, and let's write tangents here 6. And for the plot 1, there also will be 0 plot, let's say x6, and for this plot, let's say 2, and this. Let's write minus. And if you push the button run, sorry, it writes that we have some problems. Sorry, there will be the subplots 2 with 3 2 rows, 3 columns, and then yeah, here it is. You can see here it's your functions, and here it's the graphs. First one is sinus, second one is cosinus, third one is tangents. Here just x, it's the x square and the minus x square, and you can use this kind of methods for the data visualization with subplots.